Hi guys, I'm Tasneem. Right now I have with me Dr. Samantha Wettimuny, who's a clinical psychologist with the Los Angeles County Department of Mental Health. Today she's here with us to talk to us a little bit about stress management. So let's get right into it, doctor. Tell us, what are the different kinds of stress that people experience?
Well, stress is our normal reaction to our daily lives. So some of the stressors that adults might go through are financial problems, problems with children or taking care of elderly parents. It could be problems at work or school. Those are some typical problems that adults might go through. But also there's positive forms of stress as well. It could be a wedding or a promotion or buying a new house. Sometimes it's multiple stressors at once as well. And the one important thing that you have to remember is everybody handles stress differently. Some things may not be that stressful to some people, but for others, something could be very stressful. But what matters is how that person perceives it. The most important thing is how they handle their stress. Everybody handles stress differently, and that's okay.
So why is it important to manage and address stress?
Well, stress over time can cause some unpleasant and actually it can have some costly effects. A lot of times we talk about the physical problems that come with stress like heart disease and high blood pressure, but actually over time emotional stress can also cause a person to withdraw from their friends or have difficulty concentrating or not be able to socialize with their family. Sometimes they can affect sleep and they could be up at night worrying, and sometimes people will use alcohol and substances to cope as well.
So how would you say that stress is related to mental health?
When somebody is experiencing several stressors at once, or they have one extremely stressful event happen once or even over and over again, it could start to affect their mental health. They may not be able to work or go to school. They might start to experience changes in mood, or they might start to feel hopeless.
What are some techniques that a person can use to manage their stress?
Actually, some of the stress management techniques are actually part of our own culture, our South Asian culture. Things like yoga and meditation are some techniques that, we and our ancestors have used. Deep breathing techniques, as well as using mantras or sutra chanting or chanting holy texts. Those are all things that sometimes can help calm a person's mind and kind of bring them back to their center. It's important also to just take 5-minute breaks, timeouts throughout our day. So it could be going outside, taking a walk. It could be talk to a friend for a few minutes, having a cup of tea in a quiet room. Having some downtime is what helps us just to reduce our overall stress during the day. And sometimes that's enough to keep us going. However, if this is affecting your life and stress is getting to the point that it's getting in the way of your work or school or your family life, then it's important that you do get help. And we're here to help if you need it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Wettimuny. That was so informative. If you or someone you know needs help, please contact the Los Angeles County Department of Mental Health at their 24/7 helpline at 1-800-854-7771. Your call will be safe and confidential.